Hello everyone, my name is Harmandeep Singh and in this video we'll talk about median for grouped data. This is a perfect example of group data. For instance, this says there are 5 students who obtain between 20 to 30 marks, 15 students who obtain between 30 to 40 marks, and so on. Now we need to calculate the median for this grouped data. Before I tell you about the formula, what we first do is we simply put the marks in the first column, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. We put the frequency in the next column like this, and then what we do is we add cumulative frequency here. What is cumulative frequency? It is nothing but we add the frequencies diagonally. So this 5, you put the same number here, 5. This is 15 here, so 5 plus 15, you put 20 here. This is 25 here, so 20 plus 25, you put 45 here. 45 plus 20, 65. 65 plus 7, 72. 72 plus 8, 80. And 80 plus 10, 90. Now, if you add all this frequencies, this is n. n is 90, and this last of cumulative frequency, last number of cumulative frequency should be same as this n. That's how you calculate cumulative frequency. Now, once you've calculated the CF, cumulative frequency, let's understand the formula. The formula says median is equal to L plus n divided by 2 minus CF divided by F into H, and we'll understand this right now. What is L? L is the let's talk about n over 2 first. We already know n is 90. We did that. We added all the frequencies here and we said n is 90. So what is n over 2? n over 2 is nothing but 90 divided by 2, which is 45. So n over 2 is 45. So we know what is n over 2 now. Let's look at what is L. L is the lower limit of the median class. CF is cumulative frequency, and we'll talk about which frequency is this. We have so many numbers here. We'll talk about which number to pick from here. F is the frequency of the median class. H is the class size. Now what we commonly see is median class. The very first thing which we need to understand is what is median class. Now for median class, we've already calculated n over 2. n over 2 is 45. n over 2 is 45. So what you do is you look at that number in this cumulative frequency number. The number which is greater than this number becomes your median class. So in this case, this is 45. This cumulative frequency is 65. So this 50 to 60 becomes your median class. And this becomes the frequency of the median class. And this becomes the cumulative frequency of the median class. This 45 becomes the preceding cumulative frequency of the median class. But good to know information is median class is 50 to 60. And the formula says L. L, what is L? L is the lower limit of the median class. If 50 to 60, lower limit is 50, so L becomes 50. Here you go. And what is the frequency of this median class? Frequency is 20. So we now know L is 50, we know F is 20, we also know n over 2 is 45. Now what we need is we need F. Well, F we already know. F is the frequency, so F is 20. Now what is CF? CF is the cumulative frequency of the preceding median class. So in this case, our median class is 50 to 60, and hence frequency of the preceding median class, which is 45 in this case. So our CF here is 45. And what is H? H is the difference between the class size, basically. It's the difference between the lower and the median class, lower and the upper limit of this class. So 30 minus 20, 10. 40 minus 30, 10. Hence H is 10. Now let's put the formula here. Median L. L is 50 plus n over 2. n over 2 is 45. We calculated it here. Minus CF. CF we've already mentioned, preceding frequency of cumulative frequency, which is 45, divided by F. F is the frequency of the median class, which is 20, multiplied by H, which is 10. So 50 plus 45 minus 45 divided by 20 into 10, which is 50 plus 0 divided by 20 into 10. Anything divided by 0 and multiplied by 0 using the BODMAS rule is 0. So 50 plus 0 is 50. Hence the median is 50. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Thank you so much.